All right, what's up, guys? Okay, I'm going to go over the Bitcoin chart really quickly. Just going to be a moment of y'all's time, so bear with me. I know we've got the attention span of a goldfish now, so everybody, including myself, for the most part. But here we are. Okay, we'll look in the weekly first. We'll make this really short and sweet. All right, so we'll put a line here. It's pretty obvious. Even before this happened, this is always one of my areas. But anyways, you get the huge wick down that got eaten up, and then you get the weekly close, and then the weekly plummet, and then now you have this acting as support for a few weeks. Obviously, it's a place of interest. Okay, we'll map out a few weekly levels here. Okay, this obviously is one. You got the top, two tops in this level, and then you got this one right here, where you did kind of like a double bottom sort. Pushed up, huge $6,000 candle, so multiple times resistance, multiple times, obvious levels. We keep it short and sweet. We got the daily 200 EMA right there. Am I recording? Yes, okay. And we have the weekly 200 EMA right there. So, that's my next point of interest in reality, guys. Looking at this, that should, if that don't have a reaction, that's crazy. Then you can look at look at that weekly level. It was also the deviation, you see. So, it's pretty neat to notice an obvious point of interest for us to look at. But I'm going to keep it really easy. It's pretty easy, in my opinion, what's bullish and what's not. A reclaim of this area would be pretty bullish, but it's not looking to be too great. That's it. But you have a good indicator to close your short, or look for a long for a continuation, which I don't think is going to happen at the moment. I think we're getting close to the top of this blow off, the blow up top. Blah, Jesus, the blow off top. I don't even think I said it right then, but you get my gist. We're getting close to that blow off top, and what I think. For the weeks to come, I think this volatility will likely die after the depth ceiling, whatever happens there. I don't know, but I bet we start consolidating. And if this does get tested, this deviation level, back on the daily, it's going to test them lows. It's going to test 18.6, I bet you money. Somewhere around all that liquidity and all those wicks where people will invalidate themselves. That's where, if we do get to this level, I don't see it holding. Usually those aren't good holding spots, but that's far away for now. For now, I expect a reaction off this level for sure, and then we can figure out what to do from there. Right now in the low time frames, we can see how our levels have held up. We can just look at them. This is not even, this is just no low time frame level, just using the weekly. So it's obvious, where we're at now. And that's why I also posted on Twitter that, if we start getting that acceptance, this has been a weekly plan of mine forever. Start getting acceptance. See, it's always been a level. There, I'm going to start trading it back down there. So it all adds up pretty well for me at the moment. So I'm not going to look too far into it. So, if you haven't, guys, go ahead and look at SPX. My bad. Yeah. Okay. So SPX, we're at this top of this broadening wedge. We're getting close. Getting close. Is there any highs up here? I had this level marked before I cleared my chart not too long ago. It was the level around here. See if we can scope that out. That makes a lot of sense. This level makes a shit ton of sense. Just from that wick and that little candle close here. We can put that on the chart. Right there. It's pretty nice. But anyways, we're at the top of this level, so it'd be pretty, keen if it would, blow off here and then come back in, and then maybe you could catch a quick short up here with a tight stop above the high. But I think, in general, your best bet is losing 41.58 again and rejecting, and then watching it tag the daily 200 EMA, which it loves to come back to. I don't got them all even marked, but it's quite a point of interest, where it finds resistance and support. It likes to touch that thing either way. It may not even reject or resist it. It likes to just magnate, it's like a magnet. But anyways, guys, that's what I'm looking at. I appreciate it, man. If y'all want, remember, I am using BingX as my exchange. You get up to 3,000 in incentives for trading with it, different referral fees and determining how much volume you use, you get free USDT vouchers to trade with. So anyways, guys, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Peace out.